Sending money from Dubai to Pakistan is a straightforward process that can be completed through various channels. To begin with, you need to choose a reliable money transfer service that suits your needs. Some popular options include banks, exchange houses, and online money transfer platforms. First, gather the required documents, including your Emirates ID, passport, and the recipient's details, such as their name, address, and bank account information. If you are using a bank, you will need to visit the bank's branch in Dubai and fill out a transfer form. Next, determine the amount you want to send and check the exchange rate. Most money transfer services will charge a fee, so factor this into your calculation. You can use online tools to compare rates and fees across different providers. Once you have selected your service and gathered the necessary information, you can initiate the transfer. For exchange houses and online platforms, this can usually be done online or through a mobile app. For banks, you will need to visit a branch. After initiating the transfer, you will receive a transaction reference number. Share this with the recipient, as they will need it to collect the funds. The recipient can then receive the money through their bank account, or by visiting a designated cash pickup location. To ensure a smooth transaction, make sure to verify the recipient's details and use a reputable money transfer service. Also, be aware of any transfer limits and restrictions that may apply. By following these steps, you can send money from Dubai to Pakistan quickly and securely. Always check the latest regulations and exchange rates before making a transfer. And consider consulting with a financial expert if you are unsure about any aspect of the process.